If you're anything like me, you want to be able to learn a language with the ease and accessibility of your phone and also actually see results. Well, luckily, I found the ultimate app that has truly transformed language learning for me. So in this video, I'll reveal what the ultimate app is, what it can do, why it's so good for language learning, and also share how I personally use this app as an intermediate French learner and a beginner German learner. But don't just take my word for it. Researchers at Compare Language Apps undertook a study last year and ranked this app as the most effective language learning app out of all major apps. So what is this awesome app and what can it do? It's called Link, and it provides a simple mobile and desktop interface to allow you to learn languages from content that appeals to your interests so that you can have fun in the process. Link themselves provide a huge course library of their own content tailored for different levels, which is what I highly recommend following, especially if you're brand new to the app. However, you can also, with just a couple of clicks, import YouTube videos, blogs, articles, or even take a picture, and the app will turn that content into its own interactive lesson. You can use these lessons privately or make them public, which allows you to get access to even more content. Their entire library is huge, and it includes real books, short stories, podcasts, YouTube videos, articles, and songs. Many lessons will also have recorded audio to go along with the text.
Dort gibt es viele schöne Schuhe.
And what is it that makes the lessons interactive? Well, it's the ability for you to tap on each word or even a series of words to see a translation or a definition. You can also mark a word as known or unknown, and this will automatically add these words into your own learning vocabulary database. I have used Anki in the past, but I noticed that I would often only create new flashcards when I was feeling particularly motivated to study French. But in all honesty, most of the time, I genuinely wouldn't be bothered. So using Link's own tool has saved me time, but also improved how frequently I actually revise new vocabulary because it's not as painful of a process compared to Anki. But why is it so much more effective than other language apps? When I started relearning French last year, I tried to find vocabulary lists and force my brain to simply memorize random words. The problem was that it wasn't fun and it was really hard work. I ended up just giving up most of the time and I wasn't very consistent at it. With Link, I got exposure to new vocabulary by reading ebooks, listening to audiobooks, and watching YouTube videos that I wanted to understand. Getting exposure to new words in a context that was meaningful and enjoyable for me helped me to then memorize those words. I was able to see grammar rules appear naturally and also revise previous words. Many other language apps also have the problem of only focusing on one aspect of language learning. I never felt like I wanted to upgrade to their paid plans because I ultimately wanted to get more value. I wanted to target more than one aspect, and I feel like I do get that with Link. So in terms of the pricing, Link do have a free trial, but it is extremely limited, and to get unlimited access, it does require upgrading to a paid plan. You can actually get access to all the languages that the app offers just under the one subscription. And what levels does this app actually target? So as an absolute beginner to German, when I started using Link, it was daunting at first because I could instantly see just how different the sentence structure was in German than to French or in English. Plus, there was just a lot of vocabulary that I didn't know. Contrast that to how Duolingo starts you out, which is understanding very, very basic statements. Link was very different, and it did really give me a slap in the face and showed me what real German looks like in real context. On the positive, I've been working through Link's mini stories, and I remember just how excited I felt when I listened to one story and could understand the plot. It was more euphoria than I had ever felt completing a single lesson on Duolingo because I knew I was actually making quite significant progress by being able to understand a full German story. So now I'll share exactly how I use Link to study and practice. As a beginner in German, I will select a mini story from Link's database. I will listen to the content once and just try to either follow the plot, or if that's too difficult, I try to listen out and identify any words that I do recognize. Then I either go through the lesson in my own time, or I read it and listen to it at the same time whilst tapping on the words that I don't know. For the German mini stories, there's a question section at the end. It will ask a question about the story, and I will try to often answer the questions myself, speaking out loud before the answer is revealed. It gets me some speaking practice as well. And then once I've finished, I will tap to review the flashcards specifically for this lesson. So typically I do this every couple of days. With the mini stories, I do often find the words that I've previously learnt naturally coming up again in later stories. So as an intermediate French learner, I get a wider exposure to content that I can select from. So most often what I use LingQ for is to import more complicated content, such as articles with some really tricky vocabulary, or I'll select a book chapter to read because this also stretches my capabilities. I did read Le Petit Prince, L'Étranger, and also Steve Kaufman's book, which were just really, really cool. I try not to translate every word the first time I'm reading a sentence I don't understand, but try to figure out what it means on my own, and then I'll go back and actually find the translation. I would say I use LingQ more for German now because most of the time with French, I am just watching YouTube videos or movies without any subtitles, so I do try not to just read. And if you'd like to learn more about my French journey, I made this video here, and I also share even more resources that I use to get to an advanced intermediate level in 1 year. I do have an affiliate link in the description below if you do want to try out LingQ. If you do stick at it and you stay consistent, shortly after it won't feel so daunting anymore. But I truly do believe that you will already be so much further ahead than where something like Duolingo could get you. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.